Today I will talk about how can you enable photos and videos uploads notifications on your app. So we're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on settings down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you just click here on notification settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you click here on your child's name album here. So you come to next step here, come here to photos and videos updates. Sorry, I said inverse plus, so it's not a plus, it's updates. Click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's mean here photos and videos updates notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking